engineered for the exceptional, because true wellness demands absolute precision. A revolutionary 4D dual mechanism channels two master therapists, seamlessly dissolving deep tension from your neck to your glutes. A rhythmic tide of compression envelops you, washing away fatigue from the furthest points of your being. AI interface puts infinite targeted relief exactly where it belongs, while intelligent health scanning curates a journey back to perfect equilibrium. Experience profound release with near flat recline, finding unprecedented alignment. Total control effortlessly in your hands. Advanced reflexology revitalizes your foundation as deep, enveloping heat melts away fatigue. Effortless zero gravity suspends you in weightless renewal. And curated soundscapes unlock profound relaxation. Redefine your recovery and elevate every day. Introducing the Infinity Sensation 4D DualFlex Massage Chair, a masterclass in restoration.